Hello viewers, this is Mr. Mohammed Yasin Shakir Advocate and you're watching my YouTube channel Nayi Soch Nayi Manzil. I cordially welcome you to your favorite YouTube channel. The topic that I have actually brought for you people is amazing and it's related to cases of noun. What actually noun is and what are the cases actually it belongs to, how many kinds are there. First one, let us define the word noun, what actually noun is. Noun in general terms are in simplest form naming words. Naming words, what sort of naming words? Like the name of a person, place, thing. Normally in the books only it is present to the extent, but go ahead as well please. It's actually the name of place, person or thing and ideas and feelings as well. So it's a complete definition because noun may be abstract or concrete. The first three categories they actually belong to the concrete kinds and the rest of the two actually they belong to abstract category. How the cases are formed, what actually the basic concept is, this is very much important to understand. The first thing, actually it is the position that tells actually what the case is. The second one, function. In general, if we talk about the whole actually the company of words, the collection of words, the words actually they carry meanings, but the meanings are affected by their position and their function. Maybe a word is used in one context having with different meaning, but the same word used in another context with the different meaning as you have experienced, and this is confusing as well. To understand this variation, we have to understand actually the position and the function of the word so that the things may become easy for us. Let's move towards the kinds. The first kind is nominative case or subjective case. Both are the same. Nominative names in the at the position of subject. We'll discuss through the example. Objective case, it's further divided into dative and accusative case according to their function. Possessive and genitive case. Possessive is actually a possessive noun. I mean noun with the formation of possession or with the function of possession is in genitive case. Vocative case. Well, let's explain through examples. Anna gave a flower. A romantic sentence. Don't be jealous to whom the flower is given. Let's first take. This is a noun and this is a verb and this is again a noun. Now come to the functions. What actually the function of first noun is, it is a doer. And the doer is categorized or given the name of a subject in a sentence. This is the function, or you may say an action done by the doer. It's the doing actually, it's a main verb. And it's again a noun. But to see the function, actually this is the noun that receives the action of Anna. It's a recipient or it's a receiver. When there is a receiver, it becomes object. Now come to the next point. The subject who actually does something is in subjective case. And when we talk about the receiver, it's in objective case. I think you got the idea. The doer is in subjective case. The receiver noun is in objective case. Yes, if we extend the same sentence to me, you are thinking that the flower is given to you, but it was given to me. To me, now in this sentence, there was at first instant one object. Now one is added, there are two objects. When there are two objects in a sentence, they are categorized further into two categories. First one, direct object, and the second one, indirect object. To understand the concept of direct object, you are supposed to keep in mind this: the direct object is that object that receives the action directly. At first hand, actually the receiver of the action first is direct object. Now understand the concept. Anna gave flower. Which was the object on whom actually Anna does her work first? Definitely it was, first she picked up the flower. It was the flower that was actually at first affected. Then it's direct object. And rest of the object is obviously indirect object. When we talk about the direct object, it is known as in accusative case. Direct object is always in accusative case, but if you talk about indirect object, it's always in dative case. Now again the idea of functionality. The function direct object, first receiver known as accusative case, and the actually functionality of this indirect object, it receives the action at the second place is a in dative case. Let's actually go about genitive case. When a noun is used in possessive form, like Anna's flower is with me. Anna's flower is with me. Addition of apostrophe that actually shows the possession. Now the noun is in it shows the possession with the addition of s and with apostrophe. It is actually in genitive case. Now it's about vocative case. When we address somebody and that noun is in vocative case, like Anna, give me a flower. Now Anna is addressed. This addressee is in vocative case. This was all about related to cases of noun. There is an activity for you people to understand, get more practice and more understanding of this concept. Just have 5 sentences of each, 5 for these subjective, objective, dative and accusative cases, 5 for genitive and 5 for vocative. And just after writing those sentences, track them and analyze them. If you get something good, then give me feedback, and if you don't get, again you can give me feedback. For more understanding, you can contact me via my personal contact number, via Instagram, Twitter, on YouTube, in the comment box. Do please like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.